In this video, we are going to show you how to use the DVLA search when setting up a vehicle. The DVLA search fills in a vehicle's details automatically by looking up its registration on the government database. To use it, go to the Vehicles tab in Admin. Right-click anywhere in the grey-lined area and select New Vehicle. Enter the vehicle's registration, then click Search to run the DVLA search. All of the vehicle's details are filled in for you on the main page, right down to the CO2 figure. The MOT and road tax are handled separately in the vehicle's documents, where each is set up with its start and expiry date, so there is no need to add any of this by hand. Do bear in mind that the search does not update automatically. The details are pulled from the government database at the moment you run it, so when things like the MOT or road tax renew each year, you will need to run the search again to bring the details up to date. Once you are happy with the details, save the vehicle as normal. You should now be able to use the DVLA search when setting up a vehicle. If you are still having issues, please call or email support as appropriate to your support contract.